How to make your money stretch further, whether you're trying to save more, spend less, or just live smarter. 1. Create a realistic budget. Track income and expenses. Use apps like Mint and NAB, you need a budget, or a simple spreadsheet. Set limits for categories like groceries, entertainment, and transport. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings/debt repayment. 2. Cut unnecessary spending. Cancel and use subscriptions, gyms, streaming, apps. Eat out less, cook more at home. Limit impulse buys. Wait 24 hours before purchasing non-essentials. 3. Shop smarter. Buy in bulk for essentials. Use coupons, cashback apps, Rakuten, Honey, Ibotta. Compare prices online before buying. Choose generic brands over name brands, often the same quality at lower cost. 4. Lower monthly bills. Negotiate bills, internet, phone, insurance. Use energy-efficient light bulbs and unplug and use devices. Review plans regularly. Switch providers if you find better deals. 5. Manage debt wisely. Pay more than the minimum on high-interest debts. Consolidate loans if it reduces your interest rate. Avoid new debt unless it's absolutely necessary. 6. Increase your income. Take up a side hustle, freelance, online gigs, tutoring. Sell and used items, clothes, electronics, furniture. Consider remote part-time work or monetizing a hobby. 7. Save automatically. Set up auto transfers to savings accounts. Use separate savings for emergency funds, vacations, or goals. Even small amounts add up. Consistency is key. 8. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills or take free/affordable courses. Coursera, Udemy. Better skills equals better job opportunities, equals more income. Bonus tips. Use public transport or carpool to save fuel. Meal prep to reduce food waste and spending. Review finances monthly and adjust goals as needed.